See, now they're kind of stopping a little bit though. But right there, look straight up. Look straight up.
There it is.
Holy shit.
There could be another one right above us. Oh yeah.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Look at that.
No, I'm not. It's forming a tornado right now above you. You can see it. You can see the tail end there. It's gradually going, but right there, it's starting to go.
That's spinning right on top
It's
of us.
spinning right on top of us. It's going to come down.
Holy shit, time to get inside.